Hello everyone, good morning. Maupay nga aga we're gonna be driving for 3 hours. Kaya let's have hot water. Have a wonderful day, guys. Just in the car, sitting down here, relaxing. Because we're gonna be in the car for quite a while. Let's hope you're gonna have a happy, blessed day in each one of you. Ang layo ng biyahe namin. Ganda ng kalsada, tahimik siya. Walang gaanong sasakyan, which is good. Kasi para mabilis ang biyahe namin. Busy si Madam today. Kaya stay safe kayo dyan. Be kind to each other. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.